All right, we are here with Jeff Schroder from carpart.com. Jeff, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
So what brought you guys to CCIF this year? What were you hoping to see?
We have a lot of customers here, so shops and insurance companies. We like to talk to people in the industry. The movers and shakers are here.
Yeah, networking, it's a perfect opportunity. So what was Carpart bringing to CCIF this year?
So we have our integrated Carpart Pro product, which is for insurance companies and shops that helps them source recycled and alternative parts.
Awesome, that's great. We saw some shots of it yesterday over here, and we talked to Roger. So what are some predictions for the next year, you would say? We just started 2020. There's some disruptions maybe from last year, continuing into this year. Anything that you sort of think might be brought onto the industry this year we might have to deal with?
Well, on the recycled parts side, we've actually increased our automotive intelligence. So we're actually inventorying more parts on the car. And so more of the smaller parts and the newer electronic parts are getting inventoried by recyclers, which should actually help their recycled part sales.
Awesome, that's great. So does Carpart have any anything coming in 2020 that you could maybe tease a little bit?
We've been doing a lot of work on analytics, and so
Interesting.
and we've built new interchange in 2019, and there's been a lot of traffic on the website in the marketplace. People seem to be very interested in these parts, so that's kind of what we've been focused on.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Jeff. Hope you have a great day, the rest of your day here at CCIF Toronto.
All right, thank you.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.